Hello and welcome to our lesson on Introduction to Data Visualization, part of the Data Science Fundamentals course. In this lesson, we'll explore how to present data in a visually compelling way using tools like Matplotlib, Seaborn, and Tableau. You'll learn the fundamentals of creating charts and graphs that highlight key patterns and insights, critical skills for any AI practitioner. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand not only the what, but also the why behind data visualization and how it enhances decision-making across various industries. Data visualization refers to the graphical representation of data and information. It translates raw numbers into visual forms, charts, graphs, maps, making complex patterns easier to spot. A clear visual display helps stakeholders understand trends, outliers, and relationships within datasets. By employing strategic color choices, labeling, and layout, visualizations guide audiences toward actionable insights. Effective data visualizations often answer specific questions. Are sales trending up or down? Where are customer clusters located? Understanding these concepts sets the foundation for creating meaningful, informed visuals. Imagine you're an analyst at a nonprofit aiming to reduce food waste. You have stacks of data showing monthly waste levels, regional disposal habits, and community feedback. By converting this data into a compelling bar chart over time, you create a story, identifying waste hotspots, highlighting improvement months, and revealing the effectiveness of local campaigns. Stories like these help transform passive data points into relatable narratives. In essence, storytelling with data inspires action, fosters engagement, and makes information more memorable for any audience. Charts and diagrams are the building blocks of data visualization. Bar charts highlight comparisons among categories, line charts reveal trends over time, and pie charts show how a whole divides into parts. Meanwhile, histograms display data distribution, scatter plots reveal correlations, and box plots spotlight data spread and outliers. Using the right chart is vital. For instance, if you want to show how something changes sequentially, a line chart is your friend. Mastering these basics ensures you can choose the optimal visual for every unique data story. Consider a retail giant analyzing holiday sales. By plotting sales numbers across different regions and time periods, the company spotted a surge in online purchases a week before major holidays. On a dashboard combining bar charts, line graphs, and geographical maps, managers pinpointed exactly when and where to stock more inventory. This real-life example shows how effective visuals can streamline decisions and avert potential bottlenecks. The ability to observe patterns at a glance, such as sales spikes, enables organizations to respond swiftly, boosting customer satisfaction and overall profitability. There are countless resources online to explore data visualization examples and tutorials. One highly recommended stop is Tableau Public's Gallery, or a screenshot of it if you're offline. Here you'll find creative dashboards created by users worldwide, showcasing how data can be elegantly organized for maximum impact. Browsing these examples can spark new ideas, whether you're illustrating health statistics, sports performance, or economic indicators. Seeing what others have built can help shape your own visualization style and techniques. Before creating any visualization, you need a suitable data set. Sites like Kaggle and government open data portals offer countless data sets, ranging from global weather reports to national census figures. Pick a data set that resonates with your interests, maybe historical stock prices, public health metrics, or environmental research. As you explore, look for intriguing patterns worth highlighting. For this lesson, you might download a simple CSV file that tracks daily sales, temperatures, or survey responses. Clean, well-structured data paves the way to clear, insightful graphs. Matplotlib is often the first stop for Python-based data visualization. Its syntax is straightforward. You import matplotlib.pyplot as plt load or generate data, then create plots using commands like plt.plot or plt.bar. Though minimalistic in default styling, Matplotlib's power lies in its flexibility. You can customize titles, axis labels, grid lines, and more. For instance, plotting daily temperatures over a month might look like plt.plotdays temps. With a few additional lines for styling, you have a clear trend display. Seaborn builds on Matplotlib, offering higher-level functions and more appealing default styles. If you want to create a scatter plot colored by category, Seaborn's scatter plot can do it in one line. Heat maps, violin plots, and regression lines become straightforward tasks. Seaborn also integrates seamlessly with pandas, letting you quickly visualize data frame columns without extensive setup. By combining Seaborn's aesthetic themes with Matplotlib's fine-tuning options, you'll craft polished graphics that illuminate data insights with minimal fuss. Tableau is a leading commercial tool for interactive data visualization, prized for its drag-and-drop interface and robust analytics features. With Tableau, you simply connect to a dataset, be it a spreadsheet or a database, and start exploring. You can create dashboards combining multiple charts and even build interactive elements for end users to filter and dive deeper. Tableau also enables you to publish your reports online or share them within your organization. It's often favored by business teams needing quick insights without writing code, making data more accessible company-wide.
Not all charts communicate clearly. Here are some vital tips.
Keep it simple. Too many colors or elements distract from the main insight. Label clearly. Axis titles, legend labels, and data values guide viewers. Mind your scale. Inconsistent scaling can mislead interpretations.
Use color wisely. Subtle color variations highlight contrasts without confusion.
Tell a story. Always keep your audience in mind. What do you want them to learn? Following these guidelines transforms raw data into a compelling narrative. Color can either elevate or undermine your message. When used thoughtfully, color enhances readability and draws attention to key data points. Consider colorblind-friendly palettes to ensure inclusivity. Limit your palette to a few complementary or contrasting colors, focusing on data clarity over decorative flair. Also pay attention to background and font color combinations for maximum legibility. This ensures that all audiences, regardless of visual impairments or screen settings, can interpret your graphs accurately. Good color design makes a visualization both attractive and user-friendly. Data storytelling isn't just about charts, it's about guiding your audience toward a conclusion. Start with a question: how can we improve sales in winter? And show the data journey through relevant visuals. Each chart builds on the previous one, helping viewers piece the narrative together. Incorporate a short text or voiceover to interpret complex details. Conclude with an insight or call to action, like focus on new promotions before snowfall. Effective storytelling turns charts into powerful messages that motivate change and inform real-world decisions. Throughout this lesson, you've learned the foundation of data visualization, why it's crucial, how to choose the right charts, and best practices to communicate effectively. We explored Matplotlib's straightforward plotting style, Seaborn's advanced yet accessible capabilities, and Tableau's interactive dashboards. We also touched on the importance of finding reliable data sets and using clear, inclusive design choices. By combining these elements thoughtfully, you can craft visuals that both inform and captivate. Now let's recap the real-world benefits of these new skills. Mastery of data visualization brings tangible advantages across industries. By presenting complex information in intuitive formats, data scientists, managers, and entrepreneurs can swiftly recognize trends and outliers. This clarity drives more confident decision-making, whether it's identifying underperforming product lines, optimizing supply chains, or allocating health resources effectively. Visualizations also bridge communication gaps, turning technical findings into accessible stories for diverse audiences. As an aspiring AI practitioner, your ability to create meaningful visuals will amplify the impact of your models and algorithms, ultimately fueling innovation and positive change.